If you have an appreciation for the latest trends and styles, and understand the importance of choosing a reliable brand, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what's trending in the world of wristwatches and explore the insights from watch connoisseurs about today's top timepieces. One of the standout brands trending right now is Nomos Glashütte. Known for its minimalist design and precision, Nomos Glashütte has become a favorite among modern watch enthusiasts. The Tangente model, in particular, is a trendsetter. This watch emphasizes craftsmanship, quality, and a timeless aesthetic that appeals to both those seeking a contemporary style and those with a love for vintage charm. Nomos Glashütte masterfully combines traditional German watchmaking techniques with modern design elements, creating distinctive and highly sought-after timepieces. Vintage Rolexes are experiencing a significant resurgence. These classic, old-school models with timeless designs have always been synonymous with adventure and sophistication. Think about the iconic moments like Mount Everest expeditions or James Bond's wrist. Vintage Rolexes carry a history and unmatched quality that new watches simply can't replicate. The nostalgia and the unique stories behind each vintage piece add to their allure. Whether it's a 1960s Datejust or a classic Paul Newman, these watches are not just timekeepers, but investments into a legacy. The thrill of hunting down a vintage Rolex, perhaps through estate sales or specialized dealers, adds to their charm. There's nothing quite like wearing a piece of history that still works as flawlessly as it did decades ago. For these reasons, vintage Rolexes will always be in style. Pilot watches are making a significant mark in the wristwatch world right now. Designed with aviation professionals in mind, these watches feature legible dials and rotating bezels, essential for pilots during their operations. Brands like IWC and Bremont have established themselves as leaders in this category. What's fascinating about pilot watches is their appeal beyond the aviation community. These stylish designs combined with functional features make them a popular choice among watch enthusiasts. It's not just about the technical aspects. Pilot watches offer a perfect blend of form and function, contributing to their growing popularity. Finally, we can't talk about trending wristwatches without mentioning the Rolex Submariner. Known for its timeless design and robust construction, the Rolex Submariner remains a classic choice. Its enduring appeal lies in its versatile design, suitable for both casual and formal occasions, and its reputation for reliability and precision. Whether you're an avid watch collector or someone looking to make a statement with your wristwear, these trending watches offer something for everyone. From the minimalist elegance of Nomos Glashütte to the historical charm of vintage Rolexes, the functional beauty of pilot watches, and the timeless allure of the Rolex Submariner, there's a perfect timepiece out there for everyone.